Every year, millions of people are forced to flee their homes in search of safety. Finding employment is one of the most challenging aspects of rebuilding their lives in their new home countries. Many refugees face numerous barriers, forming a canvas ceiling that prevents them from finding meaningful employment. The barriers that contribute to the canvas ceiling are obstacles at 3 different levels: institutional, organisational, and individual. For example, refugees struggle to have their former education and qualifications recognised. Often, they have lost all the documentation that could evidence their previous credentials. Employers rarely consider refugees as a talent pool. They do not understand their professional achievements gained abroad, and they may be reluctant to hire refugees, not understanding the unique circumstances of this specific group of job seekers. Since refugee resettlement is not a pre-planned move, many refugees might not be familiar with the local job market and the job application process. They might need more time to master the language skills of their new home country and could struggle having been exposed to traumatic experiences preceding their resettlement. More than often, refugees are victims of a polarising social debate, which can contribute to various forms of discrimination and further negatively affect refugee well-being. So how can you support refugees in overcoming the canvas ceiling? Become a mentor, helping in understanding the local job market, gaining job search skills, advancing language proficiency, or supporting refugees in building their local professional network. Support businesses and social enterprises that are run by refugees or that hire them. Help others to understand the unique challenges faced by refugees. We all can make a difference.